If you are into high-end attar oils like Sultan Pasha attar oils, like Ansar Oud attar oils and very high-ended blends, and you want to taste some blends that are natural, totally natural, and have been blended by using the top or high quality ingredients. So if you are a lucky one, you are going to not miss Rai Munir or Mosafir from Pakistan. He is a master blender, and I have like 10 or maybe more than those attars from him. I have tried attars from Ansar Oud, but sadly those were very, very difficult for me to try. They were not very, you can say, rounded or very well balanced for me. I'm not sure, I'm not saying that he's not a good artist of oud oils or these perfumes. Their oud oils are marvelous, but for me the others were not that great. So what I love, you can say my other love, I am mostly a person who loves oud oils most of the time. I don't like others much, but for me, the Mosafir or the other oils from Rai Munir from Pakistan, you can find a lot about him on Oud Addict forum. You can see these are few others from him. So whenever he release something new, I try to buy at least 1 ml. So after some time it is going to get marvelous even if you don't like it in the start. And he uses high quality sandalwood, oud oils, different florals, and he sources them from different parts of the world. And this is, you can see, this one is Kailash. I'm going to review some of them very quickly. Kailash is musky floral, very nice, very uplifting. Once you apply it, it is going to have like a bouquet of flowers hidden in musk pod, I would say. So he uses musk a lot, and this is the real musk, Kashmiri musk, and I love this. So this is one of my top favorites. My wife, she have complimented me like 4 or 5 times, even my mother, from 2 of the others I have used from Rai Munir. I'm going to link his page, Facebook page, in the description below. So if you want to find out more about Rai Munir and his blends, and if you want to contact him, you can contact him. And it's difficult to ship from Pakistan, these oils, but I think if you are you can say collector or admirer, you can buy these. So this is the latest one, Nashapur. It was floral, jasmine was there. It was floral with some oud and sandalwood base, and I have added some more oud. I think oud was not there much, but I have added some oud by asking Rai Munir to make it a bit more oudi for me. Then there is this one is also one of my favorites, Musk Tabak. It seems like it has freshly grounded tobacco leaves with some musk and florals and some spices. It is, I think, one of the best. For me, I think it is one of the best. It is like you can say kind of very rounded, sweet, wet tobacco leaves with some spices and florals and oud or maybe sandal at the base. Musk is there. Yes, it is one of the best blends for me, Musk Tabak. Then I never ever like vetiver oil, green vetiver oil, not even in others. I would say that I hate it. It seems like a grass to me. It seems like grass water for me, so I don't like it. But this is called Sarban. This is from Rai Munir, and I think the best attar or the use of vetiver in this. You cannot pinpoint that there is a vetiver. This is the magic of the blend. So if you have a very good or best magic blender from Pakistan, that would be Rai Munir, no other than Rai Munir. I'm going to link in the description. So this is about Rai Munir work and Mosafir from Pakistan. If you like Sultan Pasha other oils, I think you are going to forget them once you start using these. For me, Ansar Oud was good, but not for me, not my taste. This is the one I think you should try. If you are in the Asia or Middle East, you are going to enjoy these. So I will meet you in another video with another review for another brand or company. Okay, so for Mosafir, that was not a paid promotion. I am using his Attars from like past 1 year, and now I have made the review because I think more people need to know this hidden gem in Pakistan. And I think you should try his oils. Even if you get just 0.5 gram or half gram oil, you should buy his oils. So I'm going to take off this video, say goodbye, and we will meet another video. Before that, you make sure you subscribe and like this video and share this video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.